I'm at Margie's Farm and Garden today, and Margie, I have to tell you, I love your commercial because you say color, 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 and you come here and you have color. It's amazing.
Yeah, we have lots of beautiful color, and for the 1st of April, we have a lot of color, but look at our beautiful sunny weather we're having. But like we've been talking about, it's still cold at night. So at nighttime, you either need to put them into your garage or put a blanket over them while we're still having frost.
Yeah, it's true. It's like you're going to get them, you may as well protect them.
Protect them so you don't have to replace them.
There you go. And dahlias for this early. That's amazing.
Oh, we have such a wide range of dahlias. We grow a lot of dahlias here, and it is early for dahlias, but they're good to go outside, and they'll bloom all summer until frost in October. Yeah.
That is nice. Just got to deadhead them?
Yeah, you got to deadhead them. So when you can tell when the blooms are done blooming, and then you just follow them down to the next leaf and clip them off, and it'll just keep sending up the buds all summer long.
Lovely, lovely. And then I see you have gerberas, which are always so sunshiny. I love them.
I think that is one of my favorite flowers. You just look at it and you just want to smile.
You do, you do. And then I see you have a whole flat of Coleus, and look at all those colors.
We have probably about 15 different types of sun Coleus. So blooms great, or not blooms great, grows great. Too early to plant it outside, so one of those things you're going to have to protect, but you can put it in the full sun, and the great color goes with everything. They're so pretty.
They are nice. That's really a nice kind of companion. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
And then what are the ones behind it? Those are interesting.
Nemesia. We have a beautiful selection of different nemesias, and they smell wonderful, kind of like vanilla. Lovely bicolor choices as well as solid colors.
Pretty, pretty. And really our favorites of everyone, geraniums.
Geraniums are one of our favorite. There's so many different types, the light green leaf, the dark green leaf, all different colors. We have a huge selection of them, and they're just in full bloom right now. And another thing that's going to bloom great all summer long.
Nice, nice. And I see that you have containers too, and such cool petunias.
We have a lot of different varieties of petunias, and we have a lot of containers that are already planted, so it's easy for you to just take home. Or if you want, we can help you design your own, so you can get everything here and plant up yourself what you want.
Yeah, and you got to talk, we're talking a little bit about petunias, but look at the selection of petunias.
We have, I don't even know how many varieties, probably about 50 different varieties of petunias. We have a lot of million bells, super bells, petunias, all different types. And they're great to put in containers, baskets. We can help you choose what you need.
Yeah, because sometimes some are upright and some are trailing.
There are really some upright, some trailing, so that's something that we can help you with. This Crazy Tunia Cosmic Purple, so that's one of the upright ones, but beautiful color you have on that, and but yeah, lots of different choices.
And so, and I see that you have Jack's all-purpose fertilizer, because you really need to do fertilizer right now.
It's very important to care for your plants, to get the correct soil. We have about 7 different types of potting soil. We can help figure out what your situation is you need. We have the Jack's fertilizer, but again, just any fertilizer you have at home. It's important to fertilize about once a week. And to keep everything going and blooming good all summer.
It's all about color, color, color here at Margie's Farm and Garden. And if you want to come out and get some color for your garden, this is the place to come. And if you're just a little bit worried about which ones to choose, you have to come out and talk to the staff here, because they know which flowers and plants will do well in your garden. If you have any other questions, please go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to their website, and you can get all that information and come out to Margie's Farm and Garden. Margie, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.